the vehicle. This is me showing you how to get your codes. Simple key inside the ignition, and I'm gonna see if I can do both at the same time so you can see with a little bit of lighting. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, and there goes the code. See it? So that's how you do it, people. Any questions, leave me a comment down below. Again, I'm not here trying to get thumbs up or thumbs down. My here is to spread knowledge. Take it from an old bull trying to teach you young bulls out there how to diagnose things. You don't have to plug in a scanner every time for everything to troubleshoot anything.